Welcome to Livermore Ford Lincoln, the Bay Area's premier Ford dealer. And here's a look at another one of our quality pre-owned vehicles from our large selection. It comes equipped with rear view camera, Harman Kardon amplifier and speakers, cross traffic alert, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keyless entry, Sirius XM satellite radio, Starlink emergency communication system, eyesight system, heated front seats, speed sensing steering, and has less than 75,000 miles on the odometer. Every vehicle is put through a rigorous inspection and reconditioning process by our highly trained technicians, using only certified OEM parts, guaranteeing you the highest quality vehicle possible. Livermore Ford Lincoln is your ideal destination for all of your automotive needs. Come visit us at 2266 Kittyhawk Road in Livermore. Your next vehicle is waiting.